What's up guys, this is Christian with Dirt Cruiser. Today's video I have a walk around of my 1991 Toyota Land Cruiser. I've owned this car for over 2 years, and the last year I've been working on restoring it and bringing it back to life. When I got it, it was in really rough shape. The clear coat was shot, the interior was pretty shot. So yeah, I've just been going through it and doing I did a ton of maintenance. To touch up on that, I rebuilt the front knuckles. I did a new starter, new alternator, new battery, transmission filter, transmission flush. The whole cooling system's been gone through, new hoses, new thermostat, new belts. I redid the whole interior. It's custom, it's a custom interior, but I think it turned out pretty nice overall for the amount of work that I put into it. I've also sound deadened the whole truck, so I did the whole floor, quarter panel, the doors, so it's got kill mat and the sound deadening foam in there as well, so it makes a huge difference. Alright, so this is a sound comparison for you guys. So there's also a custom platform that I have built in there. Alright, so starting with the front end, if you're a cruiser head, you know that that is not a 91 grill, so you're right. When I purchased my 97 Land Cruiser, I ended up swapping the grills before I had this resprayed. The front bumper I resprayed with the bed liner coating. It's not perfect, but I think it turned out pretty great. So as far as under the hood, I've done quite a bit of preventative maintenance. So first thing I did was new water pump, hoses, new belts. I replaced most of the vacuum lines. It's got a new battery, new fusible link. Like I said earlier, new starter, new alternator. I just did a complete brake flush along with new brake pads. It's pretty clean in here for the most part. Within the last 1,000 miles, I did the new spark plugs, new cap and rotor, just so that's all squared away. Alright, so taking a look at the interior, I ended up reupholstering the door cards. So these I had to trace by hand, cut them out, drill them, and do all four individually that way. And then for the interior, I did a seat swap. So these are out of a 2007 Volkswagen Passat. Try to make everything in here look as nice as possible. I added some of the 3D printed cup holders. I also reupholstered the armrest with the same vinyl to match the door cards. The rear seats are also reupholstered. These are from L-Seat. Great quality. I really like how these turned out. Makes the whole interior come together really nice. Alright, so moving on to the rear. There is a custom storage platform. This is just bolted in here through D-rings and turnbuckles. It's great for storing anything you really need in here, keeping it out of sight. I've also reupholstered the tailgate. I think this turned out pretty good as well. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them down in the comments. Share, like, and subscribe, and keep on dirt cruising. There's an 80. Look, there goes an 80. Look, as I'm filming.